Okay guys, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and another IT tutorial for you all. And today I'm going to show you what is Bootstrap, and I'm going to explain how to use Bootstrap and make it a carousel with Bootstrap. So first of all, let me for those who didn't know what is Bootstrap, let me explain. Bootstrap is a framework for CSS, and it's one of the best framework for CSS. But there is Tailwind and maybe StyleX, the new one. So Bootstrap is kind of good for me because it's like a template, guys. Framework is a template. So as you guys can see in the website, uh, we should do the tutorial maybe. So let's see, yeah. Maybe we should go to tutorial. So first of all, what we should do is we must set up our Bootstrap with VS Code. So first of all, let's open our VS Code and make a new file. Sorry, it's kind of broken. Wait, yeah. Okay, so first let's make a new file. Oh yeah, reminder for those who already know how to make an Bootstrap setup, you can skip to the best part. It is the carousel Bootstrap. So let me see. Let me make a new project first, yeah. So this is our first view of our VS Code, and then what we should do is we should create the HTML index and then the style CSS index and the style CSS for further use. But we will not use the CSS because we are going to use the Bootstrap framework. So first of all, what you should do is we can copy this starter template from the Bootstrap website, and you can get the Bootstrap website and the link on the description. So first of all, let's copy it and paste it on our index.html. Okay, so this is the setup. You may delete that, and then let's go to our live server. So this is our live server. It's still hello world, right? And then after this, we've done our setup. So what we should do is we take something called CSS. Everything we must see first, yeah. Everything is intact well. So what we should do is we're going to search carousel. Nice. This is carousel. So if you didn't use the Bootstrap framework, you will have to make your own carousel with CSS, and it's not that relevant anymore because carousel is an easy thing to do with Bootstrap or Tailwind. So there is types of carousel in Bootstrap, and then the first one is slides only. It will looking like this. And then with controls you can like this, you can do it like this, as you guys can see on the screen. And then there is with indicators. It's just like the controls, but with the additional of these three things right here. And then there is the caption. Oh yeah, the caption is my favorite part because it has the everything you need in a carousel pictures. There is the second slide label, and there's the paragraph, and there's crossfade. It will fade as you click on the controls, and then the individuals like this. And then the disable touch sampling, so it will run faster than the other one, and then the dark variant. it's a label, but it's the dark one. As you guys can see here, there is variables for the this one. I forgot the carousel. There is color white, and then there is for transition and something. So what we will use is we are going to use the most complete one. We're going to use the caption one. So what we should do is we should copy this and then paste it on the body. Remember the body. Boom. So we can see our, because there's no pictures yet, what we should do is we are going to take some pictures. So maybe you should skip this part because I'm going to stop the recording for a while. Okay guys, we've already have all of the files that we need. So what we should do is we should take our pictures to the file. How to do it? We just do this, emg, and then select the photos and do it for this one too. This one again, and then this one. Okay, it should be looking like, sorry, forgot where did I put my Google Chrome file. Okay guys, as you guys can see, this is the slides, but we did not create the control button, so I forgot. I accidentally deleted my button. So what we should do is we should skip this because I'm going to cut it. Okay, do it all over again. Sorry for the misconception. And then this. Okay, it should be looking like this. And then if you want to create a slide name, you should do like this, you guys. This is a slide label, maybe the first slide. Okay, as you guys can see here, this is the first carousel, the label one. Maybe because we have a lot of time, maybe we should do something more. We should try another version of the carousel. So let's delete this. Okay, we should go to the Bootsrap again, and then we should try crossfade one. Okay, let's put our images. It's easy like this, so you shouldn't be maybe get the setbacks. You don't need to have a headache when making carousel. It's easy as this, so you guys can see. Okay, after carousel, maybe we should try something more, yeah. Maybe we should do nav bars. Okay guys, it's just an extra for my thing here, for my tutorial today. We're going to make a nav bar here besides the hello world. So let's do this. It's easy as that. If you are using the pure CSS or HTML, you will not have this because it's hard to make that. Look at this. This is a nav bar, right? And then we should make it, maybe our company name is City Lights. Okay, as easy as that. We should get rid of this hello world thing, and you have your first landing page with carousel and navbar. It's kind of pretty, because yeah, as easy as that. If you're not using Bootstrap or other frameworks, your work maybe will uh, have a 4 hours work, but if you're using Bootstrap, it's only a 10 minutes work. That's how easy is Bootstrap is. But as you guys can know, software engineering requires brain. If you did not train your brain well, you'll not have a competence to be a software engineer that expert in your sectors. So Bootstrap maybe will handle your work easily, but you still should have a brain to work. If you don't have a brain, don't be a software engineer. Don't learn. To be a software engineer, you must learn and use your brain correctly. That's my advice from me, guys. So if you already know Bootstrap, you should know the pure CSS because it's the core. Yeah, because yeah, that's easy as that. But if you are lazy, don't do that, yeah, guys. Yeah, yeah. Maybe that's all from me. Yeah. Maybe see you in the next tutorial, maybe 6 months or 7 months from now. And see you next time. Have a nice day. I'm Soral Agamar from IDN Boarding School Solo. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.